Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to play Spotify on Discord. So first of all, you just have to open up the Spotify app on your Windows. Make sure you're logged in. Now once you have opened up your Spotify app, go into Discord. Now if you don't see an overlay here where it says you're playing Spotify, you just have to go into user settings, then scroll down and click on registered games. Now you have to click on not seeing your game, click on add it and just search in Spotify. Once you click on it, press on add game and make sure toggle overlay is turned on. Now just close it out and here you can see the Spotify overlay. Just click on stream Spotify, keep these settings as is and click on go live. Now once you do that, you can just play whatever song you want to play and everyone will be able to hear it on the server. This is how you add or play Spotify on Discord. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe